Hello everyone, we will discuss this question, discuss both views and give your opinion. Everything I am going to explain you about this question. This question was part of 24 June 2023 IELTS exam, that is actual IELTS exam question, and for this we will discuss how to plan, how to utilize your 40 minutes, how to generate ideas for body 1 and 2, and definitely I will show you full conclusion and with the words, with the things, how you can use it, and I will show you introduction 1 and introduction 2. Definitely I am going to show you paraphrasing of the question statement and body paragraph 1 with lot of connectors. I will show you. You can see this, how you can start the body paragraphs. Full thing I will be explaining it here. Now let's start with this thing. Okay, first step here is how to plan. So first step here is you have to read the question statement 4 times, not 1 or 2 or 3 times. No, read it 3-4 times. Understand the question statement, what they are saying, what their examiner is demanding from you in the essay. So some people think that children should start school as early as possible. Like in India, we can see this example. So people are eager to send their children in the primary school. So that is a good thing, not a burden for them, according to my opinion. So while reading it, just analyze your brainstorm also, like analyze the points. So I have just given my point. So while doing practice, while doing reading these question statements, just analyze the things. And others believe that they should start school at the age of 7. Why? You will also think about why they want their children to send at the age of 7. So when you will be doing these question marks, when you will brainstorm your ideas, these ideas, then definitely you will not be having any problem of generation of ideas, definitely. So first point here is, okay, let me introduce myself. I am Monica from IELTS 9, okay, and planning. Definitely you should remember 250 words minimum 250 words. If somebody is saying you can write 250, less than 250 words, then what is the use? Then you can't explain everything in less than 250 words, I am telling you, okay. But if something is left, if suppose you are writing 230 or 40 or 225, that doesn't matter, your everything should be fine. But strictly follow this. But you can write just maximum, there is no maximum limit, but you should write at least 300 words or 320 or 30. If you can write it well, any essay, then at least when you will start writing, you doing practice, 350 330 words will automatically come in your essay, okay. So planning, 40 minutes you will be given over there. First 5 minutes for plan, second 5 minutes, last 5 minutes for your proofreading. Proofreading means you have to reread your essay. At this time you will find your spelling errors, you will find your vocab also, like verb problem also. You may be using wrong verb, or you may be using subject verb agreement wrong, so you can erase it and correct it. So these are the important. Now we have read the statement. What is the main topic here? Main topic here, they are just debating whether children should go to school, should attend the school at the early stage or at the age of 7. So this is the main topic. So main topic is school going age. They are just debating early or 7 years. So how to generate idea? First we will think. So actually I will support this. First we will think why parents should send their children at the early stage. So according to my opinion, I will show it to you. Okay, so generation of ideas, it's important. You should think and you should take any example of your child or your neighborhood child or your niece or nephew, anything. So at this early age, whatever you will be giving him or her to learn, definitely they will learn more. So at this grasping age, they have more grasping power. They can learn, they can adopt anything. So so you must have noticed in school nowadays, people, school authorities are giving 2-3 languages to learn. They are giving mathematics also, science also. So everything children are grabbing. They are just learning everything. Yes, first is there, due to the nature of this early childhood days, And definitely when they will start going to school, they will have more interaction with school teachers, with peer group. Okay, they will learn so many things, communication skills, coordinating, loving and sharing each other, so many things they will learn. That thing they can't learn at home while they will stay at home. Okay, so that will lead to future benefits. So definitely these are the important points. I have just thought about this. You can also bring your own point. Now I will explain India's example. In India, we have minimum age 3 or 3.5 years when parents can send their kid to primary school. Okay, now here second opinion. So second, why they are saying second, what they are saying, others believe that they should start school at the age of 7. Why they are saying this? Why 7? So they must be having their own logic. So in Western countries and in European countries, they have 7+ age, I think. Maybe I'm wrong, but I have heard that in Western countries this kind of scenario is there. So why some people are just thinking about this? Because they think children should enjoy their childhood days, and there should not be any burden. If they are going according to this, there will be burden on them. They are thinking like that. So they will have more playtime while learning. So there are many games nowadays. So you can use this example also while playing on computer or phones, or and many other physical games they have nowadays, where they can learn so many things, mathematical figures also, science also. So there are many methods, many techniques where while playing children can learn, but without going to school. Definitely when they will stay at home with their family members, they will learn more family values. Okay, the family, more family values they will learn. They will have more traditional concepts with them. Okay, so of course it doesn't mean that they will not have, but here the scenario is more. They will learn more when they will stay up to home up to the age of 7. They will grab everything from their home environment. That is the main thing you can explain. This is the generation of ideas. Okay, now this is the question statement. Let's read it again, and I will tell you how to write introduction by only paraphrasing the thing. Okay, so introduction means, as I already told you, 3-sentence formula. First is first is general statement, means about the topic. So topic is education here, and then paraphrasing, and then outline statement. So there are 3 things you can write. You can use it for writing introduction. So some people think that children should start school as early as possible, while others believe that they should start school at the age of 7. So one of my viewer had commented me that how to paraphrase the thing. So I am covering this topic over here. You can just watch it. So first I will try. There are 2-3 methods how you can write introduction. So you can follow anything. I will show you 2 introduction. So first introduction, you can see this. So you can see this, people have different views about whether, so whenever discuss both views question is there, you can use this sentence structure. So there is no harm in using these like sentence structure. So if you know how to write points, how to paraphrase the thing, then there is no harm. People have different views about whether children should start their schooling as early as possible or at the later age around 7 years. So how I have paraphrased the thing, you can see this. Okay, you can see this. Whether children should start their schooling as early as possible or at the later around 7 years. So I will give my opinion. I believe that an early starting of education, you can change the word, would be far more beneficial than a later stage or later start. So you can use this word later. Okay, this you can use it if you don't understand this essay. Now my outline statement, this essay will not only, so you can use this essay will not only explicate both aspects, but both views also you can write, both sides also you can write, but also why I support my, this is not no, first opinion, no, my will come, yes, sorry, I support my opinion in the upcoming, why I support this opinion, why I support first point of view, sorry, first point of view or first opinion. So that was actually correct, I have wrong it. First point of opinion, first opinion or first point of opinion, you can use it in the upcoming paragraphs. So you can see this first introduction. So same in every question you can write it. Okay, so you can make the statement people have different views, whether it is agree or disagree, you can use it. Children should start their children, and then you decide whether you agree or disagree. So that kind of question also will work for this. And discuss both view also you can use it. So but not in causes and effects and those kinds of question, that will not work for this kind of sentence structure. So your opinion and what you are going to express it in the upcoming paragraph. Now coming to second introduction. Now look at my second introduction, education. Now this is my first, so I have just done it in different pen, different inks, different colors you can make out. First is background statement, general statement about the topic. Second is paraphrasing. These two, blue and red, are paraphrasing, and then I am giving my opinion, and then this essay will discuss so many things. Okay, so now coming to first, education is indispensable, or education plays an important role in our life. This is common line, you can write it also. Is indispensable part of our lives, and without it it is impossible to survive. Okay, you can just leave it. Without it, impossible to survive in most advanced era. So now paraphrasing, many people reckon that younger ones, so instead of children I have written younger ones, around 3+. So I have just given my own word, 3+ should begin their school journey. So instead of early as possible, 3+ in India, I know, that's why I have written this. But you can't say that 2+, or you can say if in your country it is like that, should begin their journey, school journey. Okay, whereas while, instead of while I have written whereas, you can see this. Okay, whereas others oppose that young ones should attend school by the age of 7, should start school at the age of 7. What I have written, young ones should attend school by the age of 7. Now I support the former point of view, means first point of view. This essay will explicate not only both sides but also my opinion by supporting examples. Okay, with the help but also my opinion by opinion with the supporting examples, or with the help of relevant examples, you can, illustrations you can use it. This is my second introduction. Now coming to body 1. Now again I will read the question statement. So make it habit, just bring your habit like that. Whenever you have to write any new, whenever you will be writing your body paragraph or first point, second point, always look at the question statement. Children should start school as early as possible. So this point we are going to discuss in body 1. So how I have started, and definitely I will show you my point also. So this is my point, how I will just take into paragraph. So how I have started, you can see this. Those who favor an early start base this on several reasons. Those who favor an early start base this on several reasons. Those who favor an early start, is there any mistake? So you need to just like find it whether you have done any mistake. Those who favor an early start base this on several reasons, yeah, correct. Okay, and even I also believe in this. I have expressed my view also, that I am also supporting this. I am explaining it to reader. First, they believe that the earlier a child begins to learn, the earlier a child begins to learn, the higher his knowledge, skills and intelligence. This is due to the fact, okay, they have better grasping power, as this is due to the fact that I forgot that they have better grasping power as compared to old generations. Additionally, second point, So I will explain you why they have okay, here you can write anything. They can learn any difficult subjects at the early stage. You can always write. Second point, additionally, children can become smart in communication skills. Okay, communication skills, etiquettes, learn etiquettes. So I think etiquette spelling is wrong, so you can learn it. That is different spelling. Learn moral values. No, moral values we will discuss in body 2. That's why you need to be careful. You should be careful while using the spelling. So that is my wrong spelling. Okay, so you can learn it, etiquette. So something ETTIQUITES, something this kind of spelling is there. And more cognitive power means intelligence power. So I have used this word. Due to attending classes with different peer groups along with well experienced mentors. Okay, in the schools you can write. Till the time they will reach at the age of 7 or so. These children already doing their writing and later on getting ready for competitive world. Okay, so I am using the example. India is a prime example in this contest. Here the minimum age for school admission is 3+, and later on large number of best doctors, computer engineers and so on are coming up from this nation only. Because now here you need to give reason also, because you can use it. So I have given reason because, so this is not full stop, because learning at an early age in primary school. So this is the full explanation of that example. Okay, yeah. Next, now I will be explaining this second. Enjoyment in childhood, more playtime while learning, more family values they will learn. On the other hand, starting formal education at 7 is the perfect time believed by many negative thinkers. So if you think that some will support this idea, so you can remove this negative, many thinkers. This is because they will, so this is E, they will be overburdened with the heavy school bags. At the young age, these children would have to study all the basic subjects like maths, languages and other science subjects. What will happen because of this? Now here the point, result. Not only this, first I am criticizing from these thinkers' point of view, why they are preferring that children should go at 7, because of these reasons. Then I will come to the advantages of this. Not only this, they have to write their homework. So actually that was their homework. And some exams, and in exams, but also bear examination burden at the end of each class standards or each class tenure. You can use it, each class tenures. Okay, so this is the result I have given. In this way, education would kill their childhood playing time. That's the point they want to give here. First they have given some introduction why it is bad, early stage. That's why now they are telling education would kill their childhood playing time and fun moments with their families. Moreover, they can learn manifold things like counting, speaking, moreover. So how that's why while attending school at 7, they can learn manifold things like counting, mathematics, language speaking, while playing with their parents without any tension for school exams. So this is advantage. For instance, in some European countries like United and France, children start their school later, and they are also performing better. So I am concluding this paragraph. Thus there are clear advantages of this concept. Now we will discuss conclusion. Again, read it. Some people think children should start school as early as possible, while others believe they should start school at the age of 7. To conclude, I believe that you can use although sentence structure also. So this point you are supporting, start although with this point and then give your opinion like that. So I have not used that sentence structure over here. You can use it. To conclude, I believe that children should attend school at an early stage because they have more adaptation skills which will be helpful in future. Okay, whereas or you can use it however I have used it, whereas late schooling may give full time to enjoy childhood days. However, they will be late for basic education. So this also I am giving it, that they will be late for basic education techniques, as I personally think about the later aspect. Okay, that also will come, because this is the expression. And at the end, if you want, you have time, then you can always give suggestion. Therefore, I ardently believe that there should be a minimum age limit for entering the school without any burden on the shoulders of school children. So I am sharing my point of view for the first point of view, but with some suggestion, without any burden of on the shoulders of school children, so that you can use it in conclusion. Okay, so you can write like that.